Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the chicken jockey from Minecraft. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw the hair. In the center, let's draw a curve down and up, and the same on the right side. Now let's add a few more going out on both sides like this. And then one more curve out on the sides. Now top on top, and let's draw a line across in the center. Then from the sides, let's curve it out and down. And then two more going out on the sides. Now let's add another piece going outwards. Now before we finish drawing the hair, let's add the shape of the face. Let's start with two lines down on the sides. Then let's curve it out slightly and back in for the cheeks. And then close it off at the bottom. Now that we have the shape of the face, let's move back up and finish the hair. Let's add a curve down and up on both sides. Another one underneath. And then curve it down and back into the head. Now underneath the hair, let's add another bump for the ears. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop in and draw the face. Let's start in the center and let's draw two curves down. And then angle it up and out. Next on top, let's draw two small angles and angle it up again. Now underneath for the eyes, let's start in the center and let's draw a curve out and down. Then let's bring it out and a line down at the ends. Now top inside each of the eyes and let's draw two curves. Then inside, let's add a circle on the top right corner. And then a circle behind in the center. And color both of these in black. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's hop in between and let's draw the nose, starting with the curve across. Angle it down on both sides. And then two curves up towards the center. And then color it in black. Now let's hop down and let's draw two curves. And then in between, let's add the mouth with a curve up. And then a line across the bottom. And then let's add some vertical lines inside for the teeth. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop down and let's start drawing the body. Underneath, let's draw two angles down meeting at a point. Then let's hop to the sides and let's draw a curve out for the shoulders. Then let's curve it down. And a small angle back in. Now on the sides, let's add the arms. Let's start with a bent line up from the top here. and then a larger one underneath. Now at the ends, let's add the hands. Let's start with a curve across. Then from the inside, let's bring it up and curve it back down for the thumbs. Now for the next finger, let's bring it up and curve it in slightly at the top. And then curve it down underneath. Now let's do the same thing for the next finger. And then one more. And lastly, let's add one more curve inside each hand. And that's it for the baby zombie's upper body. Now let's move down and let's start drawing the chicken. We'll start with a curve across for the top of the head. Now let's draw 2 lines down and close it off at the bottom to form a square. Now let's hop in and let's draw a line across in the center. And then one more line across the bottom section. Now in the top section, let's draw the eyes. Let's start with 2 lines up. And then let's bring it back out from the top. Now inside each of the eyes, let's draw a rectangle shape down from the top in the center. And color these both in black. And that's it for the head. Now for the body, from the bottom corners, let's bring it out on both sides. Then let's bring it down. And a line across. Now let's hop inside the body, and at the top, let's draw 2 lines down. And close it off at the bottom. Now on both sides, let's hop up and let's draw a line out. And then bring it back up. And that's it for the body of the chicken. Before we continue, let's draw the legs of the zombie. Let's start on the sides of the chicken's head and let's draw an angle down and out on both sides. And then another one underneath, touching the top corner of the chicken's body. Now from the bottom, let's draw a curve up, extending it past the top line. Then let's curve it out from the top and the bottom. And then close it off on the sides. And that's it for the baby zombie's feet. Now underneath, let's add the chicken's wings. Underneath the feet, let's draw a line down. And then bring it in at the bottom. Lastly, let's hop underneath and let's draw the chicken's legs. Let's draw 2 lines down on the left and 2 on the right. Then at the bottom, let's draw a line out on both sides of each leg. Then a line down underneath each one. And then close off the bottom of each foot. And that's it for the chicken jockey. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!